In this video, I'm going to show you how you can curve text in Canva Mobile. It's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to add text to your project. So to do that, you can just tap on the text button at the bottom. Then you can select which text you would like to add. You can just click on Add a Text Box, and then it'll add text to your canvas. Once you add the text, you want to go ahead and tap on it to select it, and then you want to go to the bottom and you want to scroll to the side until you see effects. Go ahead and tap on that. Under the effects tab, we want to tap on where it says shape, and then we want to tap on where it says curve. And as you can see, it's applied a curve to our text, but we can actually adjust this by clicking on the settings icon on the curve effect. And we can go ahead and actually adjust the curve. So if we drag this slider over to the left, we can see that we can adjust how big the curve circle is. So we can decrease or increase the circle to determine how much of a curve that we actually want. And we can even reverse this curve so we can have it curve upwards instead. So if we want a upwards curve, we can go ahead and do that. Once we're happy with what we like, we can just go ahead and tap the back arrow, tap on the X of the effects page, and now we have our curved text. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.